everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today Cupshe and I are going to put together a 10-piece summer capsule wardrobe, and this is a perfect time of year to be putting together those essential pieces that you'll need for either the beach, the lake, around the pool, or a picnic. I have some great pieces for you, and Cupshe has given us a discount code. It is YTTERE15. So if you buy $70 worth of any Cupshe products, you get 15% off. I think most of us have been on trips where we have taken an entire suitcase of clothes. We look in it when we arrive and we say, what am I going to wear? Well, I'm trying to eliminate that problem as much as possible, and it's not easy if you want choices. So what we're going to do is stay with a few colors, very simple colors, and you can mix and match, and you have a theme or capsule for your wardrobe. And we're going to start with this piece. This is a Cupshe cover-up mini dress. Well, they got me at the fringe on the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? And you could wear say a tankini under this and maybe get away with going to a restaurant even in the evening, depending on where you are. If you're at a super casual location, I believe you could wear this to lunch for sure. The restaurant by your pool is the perfect place to wear this cover up. I'm loving it. Then we have this Cupshe dress, strapless, but it does have a grip to it. If you see that, holds it up so you don't feel like it's going to slide, and it's smocked all the way across the front and the back with a stretch smocking. And look at this, more detail. There is a trim around the entire dress. You could wear this in the evening, or you could wear it as a cover-up. I think a nice little pair of kitten heel shoes with some jewelry and this for dinner, why not? It is so adorable. Or if you are wanting to use it as a beach cover-up, you can use it with this bathing suit. Now continuing with the red, look at this tankini. We have the bottoms, and look at the top has a little ruffle along the sleeve. Isn't that adorable? It ties in the front with a keyhole, and it's not super tight because you have ruching on the sides, which is going to make it look extra feminine. It is perfect to wear with several kinds of cover-up, and we're going to get to cover-up in a minute. Here is a fabulous red one-piece with the ruching in the front to cover those areas of discontent. And don't we all have those? Unless you are special. If you're a special person who can wear them, lucky you. But I am in love with this. It has the cups in the top and they're built in, so you don't have to worry about that. And I want to check because I had not checked before. Yes, there are cups in the top of the tankini, and the ones in the tankini are removable. So if you are not pleased with the cups, you can remove those. And let's see, maybe I'm mistaken. No, I don't see that the ones on the one piece are removable, but that is fine with me. So there we have two different styles of red swimwear. So if you're going to mix and match, you could mix bottoms and wear a different color bottom. Red, white, and blue bottom, or white or black would be pretty too. If you have a navy bottom from another set, then wear the navy with it as well. And speaking of navy, what about this one-piece bandeau swimsuit? The straps are removable, so you don't have to worry about those tan lines. It has fastener on the back, so you'll have the snug fit and an opening. And here we go with the ruching again. And it has a very substantial built-in cup. And ruching again, did I say ruching enough today? I'm going to move this dress to the end because I want to show that to you last. This one has tiny flowers, and like most of the other swimwear, it comes in other colors as well. I know this comes in a blue, and I think this would look fabulous with a white sarong. It also has the ruching. It does not have removable straps, but it does have the removable cups. So you might look at that, and I'm going to link everything in the information box below, and you'll also see that I'm going to link the storefront, my Amazon storefront, especially the storefront that has a lot of swimwear. So you can scroll through there and shop to your heart's content. And you can't go wrong with a black swimsuit. Now this is black and white. Love this because it's so different, and I'll tell you why. The straps can be taken apart, and you can tie this several different ways. I have it tied so it comes down the back, and then you have this opening. But you could tie this maybe around the neck. Some of you are so clever with all of these ways to tie scarves and ties. But see, I like the idea of it just being barely tied here and hanging down your back. Love that. Then look at this detail, the white piping around the top and down the sides. I think that is so slimming. And it also has cups built in that are removable. This one does not have ruching, but it is a stunner. A cover up for that black one piece. Look at this. It is a swim skirt. It has the swimsuit bottom, so you could mix and match with bikini tops or wear it simply as a cover up. But because it has the bottom built in, you can wear this with a bikini top and look adorable. And again, there's some ruching there. We all love that because it gives us options. This ruching, let me see if I can do it. You can pull it all the way up. Look at this. Pull it all the way up and show your entire leg. And this has a wonderful detail that I have not seen before. It is a fishnet mesh that goes around the entire front and the little ruffles in the front, ruffles in the back. If you want to toss in a couple extra bikini tops, there is your answer. You can switch up any time of the day. You can start with a bikini, you get tired of that, you want a little skirt over it, there you go. And last but not least, this is one of my favorites. It has that nautical blue and white that screams summertime. It is ruffled, slightly flounced, not a ruffle, but a flounce on the bottom, Maxi, and it has the stretchy smocking on the back that makes it feel like it's holding itself up, but you don't have to worry about that really because it has these little spaghetti straps. It does not have cups, but it is lined, so you may not need the cups. And you know, if you have a strapless bra and you feel more comfortable with that, this is the dress. And guess what? We have pockets. Nothing better than a sundress with pockets. You do not have to carry a handbag. You can put a couple of essentials in there and you're good to go. And at night, if it's cool out, you can cover with a white sweater, or you could just tie it around your shoulders or wear a denim jacket. How adorable is that? And those kitten heels that you brought, wear them with this. Now we've built our summer capsule wardrobe. It's chic, it's simple, and it's not super expensive. And don't forget to use that coupon code so you can get 15% off of $70 or more. I will put that right here. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.